I'm really excited about smart industry because now I really see that everything is coming together. If you see what is possible right now, I can almost not imagine what will be possible in the future. I have 2 children. If they order something on the internet, they want to have it immediately and they want to have it next day delivered and customized to their needs. And those are actually the customers for tomorrow. So this is why smart industry is very important for the Dutch industry. You have to focus on innovation and service to stay relevant. Everything is actually tangible for customers now. So if we take all these Lego blocks, like 5G, connectivity, smart sensors, now we can really build the smart factory. So in order to make the smart factory flexible, you need smart industry as a concept. What challenges customers have at the moment is it's very difficult to prioritize their needs. They might think they have a predictive maintenance problem, but they actually have a quality problem. INT systems can help them prioritize their needs and build a roadmap for the future. It's not about improving your separate processes, it's about improving your total vision and the total way of working. And I have 20 years experience in the discrete manufacturing industry, and I've never seen this before. So now we can really bring value to the manufacturing industry in improving quality, improving maintenance, cost reduction, and time to market. So what I see now is that we're bringing together actually system integrator, consultancy, and connectivity. And in my opinion, that's the key factor in smart industry.